Hey guys, so my hair is undone right now. I just got it off of the braid because today I'm going to be trying out Priyanka's 3-ingredient DIY hair masks. She actually shared this recipe in one of her videos with Vogue. It's the Vogues Beauty secret featuring her. So in there she did 3 DIYs and one of it is hair. So I'm going to be trying the exact same hair mask that she made in that video. So basically this is a DIY scalp treatment that is great for dry scalp and dandruff. And probably I'm going to double up the proportion just because my hair is long. Alright, so let's get started and make this hair mask. We're going to be using honey, and then she said to use full fat yogurt and then an egg. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything in here. She did not specify how much we're going to be using, so I'm going to eyeball everything and going to assume everything, especially with the proportions of the yogurt. Probably going to use that much for my hair. And she said to use a teaspoon of honey, but since my hair is a lot, I will be using 1 tablespoon of honey. And then 1 whole egg. That's the first time I cracked the egg like that. It was a success, yay! So now I'm gonna go ahead and just mix it. Okay, so this mixture I think is enough for my hair. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I have the thing here. Alright, so I'm gonna use this comb right here for dyeing the hair. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my scalp. She was saying that this would really benefit your scalp, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on my scalp. Also, she said to leave this on the hair for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes you wash it off with warm water, and then you use a baby shampoo to completely wash it off. She didn't say to use any conditioner after, so I'm not going to do that. And also before I used this, I went ahead and put it on the fridge for a little while, just so that when I apply it, I will have this cooling sensation on my scalp. You guys, while I'm applying this on my hair, how is the weather in your country? Right now the weather in my country is ridiculous. It's so hot, and we're actually entering the rainy season in my country, but it is still very hot. Like, the weather is still hot. Okay, so I still have some left. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my hair. I'm also gonna put this on my ends. If this is gonna make my hair like Priyanka's hair, that would be awesome. Because she has gorgeous hair. Priyanka has gorgeous hair. Okay. The only thing though, this is kind of messy, but hey, you should be doing this in the bathroom and not really in your living room. The droplets on the floor is real. She also did not say to put your hair in a plastic bag or whatever. She literally just said to just leave it on your hair for 30 minutes. So that's just exactly what I'm going to be doing. But however, in this case, my hair is dripping, so I have to put my hair in a plastic bag. Alright you guys, 30 minutes is over. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair with warm water, and I'm gonna be using the baby shampoo. As of the moment, I can feel that my hair is very soft, but at the same time, I don't like how my hair smells. I think it's because of the eggs. It doesn't smell good. But anyway, okay. Just gonna wash it off. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my niece's Bebe shampoo. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off, air dry my hair, and I'm gonna let you guys see the results after. Okay, you guys, so this is the result on my hair. I actually do like how it did. Wait, what am I doing this? I actually do like how it made my scalp really soft and smooth and all that. But however, on the bottom part of my hair, I won't say that it's dry, but it's not as, I don't know, moisturizing as I thought it would be. However, probably it's because of the shampoo that I was using, the baby shampoo of my niece that I was using, that wasn't really that good. Because after this, she didn't say to use any conditioner at all. It was just literally shampoo. So that's probably why I felt that on the bottom part of my hair. But however, on my roots and on my scalp, I really do feel that it was properly moisturized. So that is one of the good things about this mask, and she specifically said that this mask anyway is a scalp treatment. I do like Priyanka's DIY. You guys should totally try this out. These are just 3 ingredient DIY hair mask, and all of the ingredients can actually be found in your kitchen. So anytime you can definitely try this out. And if you have tried out this mask, let me know in the comments down below. And if you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!